Let's move toward the next question of probability. Question says a ball is selected at the random from the bag of containing 3 red balls, 4 black balls, and 5 green balls. It means that there are 3 types of balls. The first ball is replaced and the second is selected. Find the probability of obtaining the 2 red balls. The solution is quite simple. First of all, find out the total sample space. As we know that the sum of 3 plus 4 and 5 that is equals to 12. Let's move toward the first part, that is 2 red balls. Probability of 2 red balls. Here we have to focus that if he is asking about the probability of 2 red balls, it's mean that he wants to say the first ball is red as well as the second ball is also red. So the probability of first red ball multiply probability of second red ball. The probability of first red ball, how many red balls were there? 3. Total number of balls were 12. 3 by 12. Similarly, the probability of second red ball is also 3 by 12. So we get here 1 by 16 after simplification. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. The second part will be on a same note. The probability of two green balls will be 5 by 12 dot 5 by 12, and you will get the answer 25 by 144. Thank you for watching the video.